Looking for the perfect integrated amplifier with HDMI ARC, streaming, and premium sound that also fits your budget? In 2025, amps aren't just about power. They're about smart features and convenience. In this buyer's guide, we'll count down the top 5 best integrated amplifiers, from the budget-friendly WiiM Amp Pro at just $379 to the audiophile-grade Arcam SA45 at $5,499. No matter your budget or setup, there's an option here to upgrade your music and home theater experience. Stick around to find the perfect amp for your lifestyle. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Yamaha R-N1000A network receiver, a premium integrated amplifier that perfectly blends classic HiFi design with modern streaming and connectivity. With a retail price of around $1,328 after a 26% discount, this receiver delivers exceptional value for anyone serious about sound quality. The R-N1000A isn't just about power, though it has plenty of that with Yamaha's renowned amplification technology. What makes it stand out is its combination of HDMI ARC, a built-in DAC, and full network streaming capabilities. That means you can connect your TV directly, enjoy ultra-high-resolution audio from digital sources, and stream music wirelessly from your favorite services. It also includes a phono input, making it a fantastic choice for vinyl lovers who want the warmth of analog combined with the precision of digital playback. Yamaha's MusicCast system adds another layer of flexibility, letting you build a multi-room audio experience controlled right from your phone or voice assistant. For audiophiles who want a true balance between classic audio craftsmanship and modern features, the Yamaha R-N1000A is hard to beat at this price point. And here's the kicker: while this receiver is perfect for both movies and music, the amps higher on our list push boundaries even further in power, design, and smart functionality. Coming in at number 4 is the Arcam SA45, a true high-end amplifier designed for those who demand nothing but excellence. With a premium price tag of $5,499, this model is aimed at serious audiophiles who want to experience music and movies in their purest form. At the heart of the SA45 is Arcam's renowned Class G amplification technology. This system ensures outstanding clarity and detail at lower volumes, while delivering powerful, dynamic performance when pushed. The result is a perfect balance, gentle enough for acoustic sessions, yet strong enough for orchestral works or cinematic blockbusters. Connectivity is another highlight. With HDMI ARC, the SA45 easily integrates with your TV and home theater, making it equally suitable for both movies and music. And thanks to built-in network streaming, you can instantly enjoy playlists from services like Spotify, Tidal, or Qobuz, all without extra devices. The design philosophy centers on purity and precision. Every component is engineered to reduce distortion and maximize performance, offering you studio-level quality at home. The Arcam SA45 may not be for everyone, but for enthusiasts building a reference-grade HiFi system, it's a dream come true. And trust me, the amps ahead only raise the bar higher. At number 3, we have the Marantz Model 50 Pure Analog Integrated Amplifier, a stunning example of classic audio design reimagined for today's listener. Priced at around $2,000, this amplifier focuses on what Marantz does best, delivering pure, musical sound with warmth, detail, and emotion. The Model 50 is a 70-watt X2 stereo amplifier, offering more than enough power for a wide range of speakers. But what really makes it special is its pure analog architecture. Unlike many modern amps packed with digital features, the Marantz Model 50 is dedicated to giving you the cleanest analog signal path possible, minimizing noise and distortion while preserving every nuance of your music. Its design is unmistakably Marantz, elegant, minimalist, and built with premium components chosen for performance and durability. While it doesn't include built-in streaming or HDMI ARC like some other amps on this list, the Model 50 is aimed at purists who want uncompromising analog fidelity and the option to pair it with their own external sources. For those who love the timeless sound signature of Marantz, the Model 50 is a bold statement piece, combining classic hi-fi tradition with modern power and finesse. Taking the number 2 spot is the NAD C3050 Blue SD, a modern integrated amplifier that brilliantly combines retro-inspired design with the latest in digital audio technology. Priced at around $1,899, it's a serious piece of equipment for listeners who want both style and substance. At its heart, the C3050 delivers classic NAD power and performance, with an amplifier stage that provides clean, dynamic sound across a wide range of speakers. But what truly sets this model apart is the inclusion of BlueS streaming. With BlueSD, you can stream high-resolution audio from services like Tidal, Qobuz, or Spotify, all controlled seamlessly through the BlueS app or voice assistants. Of course, it also includes HDMI ARC connectivity, making it a perfect hub for both music and movies. Whether you're enjoying a vinyl record through its Phono stage or streaming your favorite playlist, the C3050 ensures every detail comes through with richness and precision. Aesthetically, it stands out with its vintage styling, real with side panels, classic analog-inspired design cues, but under the hood, it's packed with modern innovation. For audiophiles who want the best of both worlds, heritage design and cutting-edge streaming, the NAD C3050 Blue SD is a near-perfect choice. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the WiiM Amp Pro, proof that you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to get a powerful, feature-packed amplifier. Priced at just $379, this sleek streaming amp offers an incredible balance of performance, modern features, and affordability. The WiiM Amp Pro is designed for today's connected lifestyle. With HDMI ARC, it integrates seamlessly with your TV for both movies and music. But that's just the beginning. It supports multiroom streaming, meaning you can connect it across your entire home and control everything from your phone. Whether you use Google Cast, Alexa, or AirPlay, the WiiM Amp Pro works flawlessly with your ecosystem. Streaming is at the heart of this amp. From Spotify and Amazon Music to Tidal and more, you can enjoy high-quality audio from virtually any platform. Add in voice control and intuitive app support, and managing your music becomes effortless. Despite its compact size, the WiiM Amp Pro delivers clear, room-filling sound that rivals amps twice its price. For anyone who wants a budget-friendly yet future-proof amplifier with HDMI, streaming, and smart control, the WiiM Amp Pro is an absolute winner. And that wraps up our list of the best integrated amplifiers with HDMI ARC and streaming for 2025. From the affordable WiiM Amp Pro at just $379 to the premium Arcam SA45 at over $5,000, there's an amplifier here for every budget and every type of listener. What's exciting is how today's amps combine classic hi-fi power with modern streaming and smart features, giving you the best of both worlds, convenience and high-quality sound. Now it's your turn. Which one would you choose for your setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest buyer's guides and reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy the music.